You must be tracking the organic rank of your product every single week. It's the only way for you to know if your private label business strategy is actually working. But let's be honest, getting that data from Helium 10 into your own tracking sheet for each product and each keyword is a nightmare. You either have to export a messy CSV file and spend 10 minutes cleaning it up, or you sit there manually typing numbers like a robot. It's slow, it's boring, and it's a waste of your brain power. So today, I'm gonna show you how to bypass the manual work and copy all of your Helium 10 keyword search volume and organic ranks in just one click using the feature of the free Endgame XP Chrome extension. Welcome back, I'm Hadrian. I've been a 7-figure Amazon seller since 2021, and if you read my book, The FBA Cheat Codes, you know my philosophy. Successful entrepreneurs focus on strategy, not admin tasks. And that's exactly why I built the Chrome extension, because if there is one thing that I hate in my business, you know it, it's repetitive tasks. So let's fix this right now. So let's start by getting on the Endgame XP website in the Chrome extension section. I will put the URL of this page in the description of this video. You enter your email and download the extension. That will then install it on your Chrome browser. So I already installed it on mine. So as you can see, if you click on the logo, it's opening the Endgame XP extension that lists all of the features it's offering. And today we're going to cover the third one called Copy Keyword Data Helium 10. So let's get on Helium 10 first. Once you are on the dashboard of Helium 10, open the list of tools and go to Keyword Trackers. Once the list of your product has been displayed, open one that you would like to get the data from. So for example, let's open this one for me. And if you scroll down a little bit, you have all of the keywords that you are tracking for this specific product. And now you can go ahead in the Endgame XP extension and activate the third feature. And as you can see, it will make two buttons appear above the search volume column and the organic rank column. So if you click on this button, it will copy all of the search volume for these keywords, and same thing for the organic rank right here. Now that you have copied all of the performance metrics for all of the keywords that you're tracking for your product, you can go ahead and paste them in your performance tracking sheet. For example, I'm using a Google Sheet to report the performances of all of my advertising campaign on each of my products. And once I have reported in one click the impression, the click-through rate, conversion rate, and ACoS with another feature from this Chrome extension, I can now report the search volume for each of the keywords that these campaigns are targeting, as well as my organic rank of my product on the keyword that this campaign is targeting. This feature turns a painful weekly chore into a 10-second task. It matters because your value as a business owner is not in reporting the performance data, it's in analyzing them. And now that you have the report, you can actually make decisions on your PPC bids and strategy. Now, if you want to know exactly how to interpret this data to scale your business, you need a strategy that goes with this tool. So feel free to check out my 1-hour free masterclass available on the link below. It contains the full PPC Command Center template I just showed you and how to use it in details. Before you leave, remember that one of the most important metrics to get a good organic rank is your listing click-through rate. And that's why in the next video, I'll show you how to forecast which of your listing main picture will generate the best CTR directly in the Amazon search result, still using the Endgame XP Chrome extension.